Good morning, everybody. Today, I'll be teaching you how to create basketball stats in a game. So, I'll be introducing to you an app using basketball stats. It's an app, and let's watch a video. And then, how do I usually uh, create stats for a game? All right, you guys excited? Alright, let's start. So I already opened the app, and then this is the name of the app is Basketball Stats. So what I want to do is to select home. The game is uh, Hornets versus Bulls. So this is, by the way, my client, and I'm doing videos for him. He's a coach in Australia, and I am the one working with stats. So his team is gonna Inner West Bulls. Right, so let's start. So here, this is the video uploaded in YouTube. He also gives me this kanang video, and then while the video is playing, I'll do the stats. All right, so good. So usually ako na siya forward o pang masugod. Start na. So naka-score or na si Naka-score si number 7. So na-score na si so usually kay since one-sided naman ako team, kung button kaya ako na siyang ihatag ang points to anyone. And then ako lang i-point asa siya dapat naka-score. So that was a layup. And then random ra because I am focusing more on Inner West. So sa stats sa kalaban, random lang. Alright? So kay focus lang ko sa ako team. So as you can see, ni miss si number 8. So I click on here to number. So by the way, ang starting lineup, we have 8. Muna ang starting 5, si D. Groth, dayon si Savage. So ni miss una si number 2, Savage. Pero offensive foul, offensive rebound ni offensive rebound si number 6. So after that, pag offensive rebound niya, may isa po siya pero block. Okay, block number 6, 2-pointer kala layup. And which players got the rebound? Kontra man, so random lang sa kinsa. Stop lang sa nako kayang time kay dili pareha 9 minutes, 7 minutes na dito. So rebound ni number 3. Defensive rebound. O ni 3 si 2 points ra si Amit. Okay? 2 points. Amit diri na part. Long 2. Kinsa mo tong assist? Ang tanawon. Assist ni number 10. Tuto ng score. Check sa nako ha. Tayong tato. So turnover, so bising kinsa lang, bad pass. Okay ra na ang time nga dili ma-follow kay hindi man ni real time recorded mo. So nag-miss si De Groot. So miss 3 points man to siya. Another siya nag-hit sa shot, and then nakakuha sa offensive rebound si di maklaro but I think number 5. Okay. So naka-hit sa si 3 points si Johnson, assist ni number 8. Okay, 3 points ni Johnson dire, and then shot ni 8 Kirby. Okay, rebound number 8. Defensive rebound number 8. Pero bad pass number 8. Okay. Bad pass nakuha sa kontra. Again, random lang kay because dili na to ko ng stats sa kuan sa kontra. Oh, that was a steal. Steal ni number 8. Steal number 8. May foul si Marshall. So again, dili man na to i-record ang stats sa kontra. So pinsa lang na to ibutang ang foul. So naka-receive sa foul si number 8. So 6 na 6 di ay. So i-edit niyo mo siya ka diri and then change it to number 6. Dayon, wa siya ka-shot sa una, no? Wala. So miss man. Miss number 6. Wala yapon. Oh, 3 points. Again, pinsa lang, na part. Okay, there is the part. Uy. May turnover. Okay, turnover meaning number 3. Bad pass. Rebound number 6. Missed shot number 8. Bukas kontra. Another 3. Kung nga ba ito, dari? Okay, still na 2 points. Una, turnover sa number 10. Ball handling. And then score si layup. Okay, 3 points the group. 3 points sa Salapita. Gusto nga. Kasi nag-assist. Okay, number 6. So turnover sa kontra, turnover, ball handling. Out of bounds. 2 points the Groot. Doing a part assist ni number 3. Saan to? Steal. Steal number 6. Miss number 8. Floater. Pero rebound, offensive rebound 5. Pinsang Tunitsa. Number 5. Miss. Galing shot. Rebound sa kontra. Oh, naka-triple shot sila. Galing. Kung saan to? Si number 8. Number 8 miss. Hindi, sila pinakuha siya yung rebound. Nakakuha din siya og foul. Shot. Okay. So one score. So i-drag lang nimo siya dali sa app. Drag lang. Shot afford. Okay. So basically mo rin siya maghimatag stats. Oh, rebound number 6. Defensive rebound. Travel. Rudra. Oh, by the way, naisab si 19 ni Johnson. Tibakop sa bulan. Isang Tunitsa. Number 10. 10, oh. Nitsa si 10 Dere, pero offensive rebound number 8. Okay, ngayon number 6 ang nakascore, no? Number 6 nakascore. Rebound number 19. Miss number 19. Sa side shot. Rebound. Rebound team. Okay, sub number 10. Okay, ni Baker. Number 24. na siya nga turnover, no? Nakuha na. Na-stealan. So, nakuha na ni 19 pero na-stealan niya. Ball handling, nakuha sa kontra. Stop sa akong time ha, kinagdagan ng time, naguna ta. Okay, rebound number 5. So, next si number 8. Alright, pero na offensive rebound na niya. 3 points and 24. Isa may nag-assist niya. Number 5. Score, C4. Driving layup. Out 19. So, may go sa tuhod. Ball handling. Naay. Naay sub 7-6. Out ang kontra. Okay. Miss number 7. Driving layup. Kuha sa kontra. Nindot na po ang stats sa kontra, no? Pero di man sila itong focus. Okay, so rebound 24. So 24 na hit sa 3 points, wala ka shot. Kuha sa kontra. Turnover kontra. Bad pass. Foul. So bisan kinsa lang ang nimo i-choose, okay? Anyway, focus man nimo pikas nga. Focus is your team ramay. Shot. So as you can see, nanay 3 points si Amit, 3 rebounds and 1 assist. Right? Useful siya. So imagine na siya yung mahatag na record later. So this is very much effective for coaches, no, who's going to doing post-game training. So for those people who wants to have their stats on a game, please contact me. I'll be more than willing. Hi Mark, Coach Mark. So na 3 points kontra. 24, miss. Driving layup. Cross kontra. Okay, steal number 8. Out lang. Score is 18-19. Fair ball. Libre. Wala. Shot. Nitsa si 19. Shot. But offensive rebound number 24. It's up to number 5. Huwag yapon ma-shot. And as you can see, nagdaog na diri sa kwa wala pa. Again, our focus is just to run the stats from this one team here. Alright? So that's just it. I'm the one also editing the videos here, so yeah. So there, that ends the first game. So I'm just gonna let you show the first quarter. So if you have any questions, okay, please don't hesitate to ask, and I'll be more than happy to assist you or teach you how to do this if there is a time. Alright, so this is some of the videos. If you want more tutorials about doing basketball apps for your coach or for your team, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to assist. Alright, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye!